Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louis.
My name is Marco Nanan of Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo sa Apalit, Pampanga.
Yes, specifically dito sa San Vicente, Apalit.
Yes, so actually the newest takoyaki store dito po sa lugar na to. And yeah, we're gonna be featuring this. So samahan niyo po kami. It's gonna be a takoyaki day, Japanese day.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so guys, just a little bit of disclaimer. So si Jan, sineset up niya yung table natin for today for our taste test, no? Pero this is not the usual setup. So just a disclaimer. So actually mas ini-encourage ni Ohtako na take out or yeah, eat it sa bahay or anywhere needed, no? But this is not the setup. So samahan niyo kami, tara. Again, yung disclaimer namin kanina, this is not their usual setup. We are happy because we're gonna taste them.
Yes, so excited kami ngayon kasi a little bit different yung style ng mga takoyaki nila. Kasi meron ako nakita kanina, as in, ang laking takoyaki. Diba?
Actually, there's one thing that is very noticeable here. Yung mga takoyaki nila, they are actually bigger than the usual. According to our orientation dun sa owner, nag-start po si Ohtako Takoyaki sa Valenzuela, Manila. And this is the first branch dito sa Pampanga.
Yes.
So, on our table, so meron tayo ditong octobits. Ito yung takoyaki and then inside it, meron tayo mga cubes na octopus.
Yes, so meron din tayo dito baby octopus. Kung saan meron talaga siyang maliit na octopus, pero nasa labas.
Yung pinaka-foundation niya is actually parang pancake.
Yes.
And then lastly, meron tayo ditong, they call it cheeseburger. So, it's a takoyaki, but it's actually a cheeseburger. So, ito naman yung mga nagsumunod takoyaki, pero medyo may, you know, some allergies sa mga seafood.
Yeah.
So, actually, ang pinaka-meat natin dito is a pork.
Yeah.
Yun yung pork. And then on top, you have your cheese cubes. Tikman na natin. Tikman na natin. So, gotta go first with this one.
I'll go first for the octobits nila.
Wow. Again, very evident doon sa observation natin. Pinaka-crust niya actually is crunchy.
Yes, malutong.
Malutong. And then, yung pinaka-loob niya is actually gooey.
Yes, yung
one thing na it separates it from other existing takoyaki is medyo crunchy. There's a bit of different texture consistency.
So, I'll taste naman yung
okay, ito naman.
cheeseburger nila.
Grabe, Bert. And then the sauce. One thing that they really take proud of is the sauce.
Yung secret sauce nila.
It's a secret sauce.
Ang sarap nung cheeseburger nila.
I told you.
Nandun nga yung crunchiness. At the same time, napaka-cheesy niya. Wow!
One more guys before we get into the mismong ano natin, pinaka-star ng vlog na to. Grabe guys! Now, I think it's time to get into the pinaka-bida nila na product dito, which is the baby octopus. So, earlier we saw how they cook it.
So, tingnan nyo paano lulutuin. Nakaka-amaze paano nila linuto.
Actually. Anyway, so let's taste it. Just to give you an idea guys how huge it is. See?
There we go.
See that? This is so huge. Let's taste it. Although it's a baby octopus, here's how it looks like. The octopus, so fresh.
Yes.
It doesn't have parang any undesirable aftertaste, no?
Wala siyang kalansa-lansa.
Wala siyang kalansa-lansa. Sobrang linis niya pagkakaluto actually guys. And then another interesting procedure na ginawa nila kanina is they actually blowtorch it.
Yeah.
So it adds that a little bit of smoky.
Let's talk about the prices naman.
Yeah.
So for octobit takoyaki, for 5 pieces, that's only 60 pesos. And for 10 pieces, it's only 110 pesos. For cheesy baby octopus, for 3 pieces, it's only 120 pesos. For cheeseburger takoyaki, for 3 pieces, it's only 50 pesos.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how's your experience with the baby octopus?
For the baby octopus, it's 9.
9?
Yes, ang sarap.
I'm also gonna go for that kind of scale or rating, no? Not every day you get to eat
the whole baby octopus.
whole baby octopus na. But dito po sa Ohtako, you're gonna experience that. How about for the cheeseburger and for the octopus?
I think I'll go for the cheeseburger. Dun yung meat niya, at the same time yung crisp niya sa outside.
So actually again, we have probably the same taste. I'll also go for this one.
Yes. Pero in fairness naman dito sa octobits nila, malalasahan mo pa rin yun naman yung lasa ng octopus.
Yeah.
Pero mas preferred ko lang yung meat.
Yeah, I think for the seafood lovers, you're gonna go for this one because its entire taste is actually seafood based. So you're gonna go for that one. Alright! So, siguro guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. Let's show some love to Ohtako Takoyaki. This is in the Apalit branch. Follow them for more promos. They also encourage takeouts and deliveries. So make sure to check out their fan page or the numbers we're gonna be flashing on your screens right now.
That's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out, guys. Stay safe.